Assalamu alaikum. I know I'm late, but we'll start here inshallah. Starting at verse 52 in Surah Al Imran.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
So just a reminder, when you start in the middle of a surah, you start with A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, and you don't have to say the Basmalah. You shouldn't even say the Basmalah. You should just say A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Also, if it helps, you should really be using the Tajweed Quran, but I know you were doing this lesson for lunch, so it's fine.
Lamma ahassa yasya minhumul kufr.
This is not Yasya, it's Isa. So you see that the Ya doesn't have any sign above or below it. So you just have to assume it's Sukun, which basically elongates the I noise. So it's Isa.
Qala man ansari ilallahi qala al-hawariyuna nahnu ansarullahi amanna bil.
This is Amanna because you have the alif next to the hamza, so that elongates the hamza.
Allahi washhad bi anna muslimun Rabbana amanna bima anzalna
Anzalta.
واتبعنا الرسول فاكتبنا مع الشاهدين ومكر الله والله خير الماكرين إذ قال الله يا عيسى إني متوفيك ورافعك إلي إلا ومت.
So I know you got a little stuck here, but you see that there's three letters, right? The hamza, the lam, and the alif here. And there's also three signs, the kasra, fatha, fatha. So it won't just be illa, it'll the alif right here that looks like ya, it has its own sign. So you have to pronounce it by itself. So it would be ilayya.
ومطهرك من الذين كفروا وجاعل الذين فيه تختلفون
إلى الذين اتبعوك.
فأما الذين كفروا.
Wait, I think I lost you. Oh, yeah, sorry, you finished here, but did we say this part? Let me go back a little bit.
فيه تختلفون.
Okay.
فأما الذين كفروا فأعذبهم عذابا شديدا في الدنيا والآخرة وما لهم من ناصرين وأما الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فيوفيهم أجورهم والله لا يحب الظالمين ذلك نتلوه عليك من الآيات والذكر الحكيم إن مثل عيسى عند الله كمثل آدم خلقه من تراب ثم قال له كن فيكون الحق من ربك فلا تكن من الممترين فمن حاجك فيه.
This is a ha. There is no nukta. There is no dot anywhere. So it's faman hajjaka.
من بعد ما جاءك
So elongate this.
العلم فقل تعالوا ندعو أبناءنا وأبناءكم.
Really should be elongating these, the one with the squiggle on top, a lot more. Remember, you're supposed to raise. These are 6 muds. So as long as it takes you to say it for 6 seconds, or however long it takes for you to raise 6 fingers.
ونساءنا ونساءكم وأنفسنا وأنفسكم ثم نبتهل or mill. I can't remember.
نبتهل.
فنجعل لعنة الله على الكاذبين. إن هذا لهو القصص الحق وما من إله إلا الله وإن الله لهو العزيز الحكيم. فإن تولوا فإن الله عليم بالمفسدين.
Okay, that's where you stopped.